when hanging a door panel on this 1970 Riviera, you'll notice that there are these clips right here. And those clips are what this whole lip hangs on. And also the clips, or whatever they are, metal tabs, their adjustability further up or further down, or further closer to the door or further away. And what it actually does is it adjusts the height in which the door panel actually sits in here. That's why there's adjustability up or down. What I mean by that, or on the back, are these little nails, pins, nails, whatever you want to call them. And what they do is they go into this. So right now what I've been doing is I test the panel. I put the panel on and it was sitting a little too high, so I'm gonna unscrew this and adjust it down. Good news is, once you set this correctly, you don't have to take the panel on and off. It's really, if the car's been completely disassembled like it is now, a lot of the adjustments are off. So that's what we're doing now, and see what we can get it going. Too high. All right, what we're looking for are this pin right here to be here to go into, let's see, this, yeah, usually they're white plastic, but they were painted over. And if we close this door, close this panel up, it matches up. So that means we have the height correct on here. So now what I'm gonna do is make sure we have this panel down sure we have the power mirror, not power mirror, but remote mirror, and the big thing right through there. All right, we got the mirror installed. Look at that Buick. Nice little touch, huh? I'm gonna have to get some Google on or something on there. Let's see how the door panel looks. Oh, the stupid glare everywhere. Okay, there we are. I think it came out good. This functions. I have a the switch there. That's what I'm about to polish up and at least do it. I think it's in a box. Let's see. I remember seeing it somewhere. These I'm gonna have to repaint. They go to the door handle. They're so faded. I'm not even putting them on at the moment. Here we are. That's the passenger side. Here's the driver's side I'm gonna get working on.